Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an email address and phone number in Elementor. This is a great way to make your contact information easily accessible and clickable for your website visitors, allowing them to reach out to you instantly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your website's WordPress admin dashboard and log in. Simply navigate to your site's admin URL, which typically looks something like your website.com/wp-admin, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to edit your pages. Now that you're in the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and navigate to Pages, then click on All Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages you've created on your website. From here, you can choose which page you want to add your contact information to. It could be your home page, contact page, or any other page where you want visitors to easily find your details. Once you've identified the page you want to edit, hover over it and click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is a visual drag-and-drop editor that makes designing your pages straightforward and intuitive. The Elementor editor will load your page, showing you exactly how it looks on the front end while giving you the ability to make changes. In the Elementor editor, you'll see a panel on the left side with various widgets. Look for the icon list widget and drag it onto the section of your page where you want your contact information to appear. The icon list widget is perfect for displaying contact details because it allows you to pair icons with text and links, making everything visually appealing and functional. After you've added the icon list widget to your page, it's time to customize it. Click on the icon you want to link to an email address. In the settings panel, you'll see a field labeled link. Here, type mail to : followed by your email address, for example, mail to : info@yourwebsite.com. This creates a clickable email link that automatically opens the visitor's email client when clicked. Next, click on the icon you want to link to your phone number. In the link field, type tel : followed by your phone number, for example, tel : +12345678890. This creates a clickable phone link that allows mobile users to call you directly with just one tap. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable email address and phone number to your Elementor page, making it incredibly easy for visitors to contact you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.